Hello, my name is Phil and today we're going to be doing a very quick review of the Screwfix non-woven cleaning wheel, which is ideal for removing paint and varnish from metal and wood surfaces, so let's get straight into it. Purchased from Screwfix for £6.04, which is very cheap to say the least. So I was surprised by the quality for the price. So 115mm fits most grinders. I'm using a corded grinder here. Quite a snug fit with the guard on, and this is what I'm going to be stripping. So I tried to get this paint off with the paint stripper and it wouldn't touch it, hence the cleaning wheel. Absolutely no problem, but you will need to be wearing your dust masks obviously. So as we're going along, you can see that it's completely polishing the steel. Not quite enough to prepare it for painting, but enough. And if it did leave any deep scratches, then just to use the grinder lightly will take those scratches off. They were very superficial. Here you can see it does work well on the edges. Just take your time. Oh yes, while you're here, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, etc. Thank you. This is where I started to lose a bit of the shape. As you can see, it's starting to round off slightly on the edges, but still perfectly usable. And there's the nice polish finish you can achieve. So I had to do some work after to get these draw pulls clean, but I used a brass cleaning wheel and a small scraper to get rid of that. There you can see the rounded edges there, starting to wear down quite quick. And that's the fully stripped toolbox with a bit of filler on, ready for sanding. And they're the full extent of the wear that it's caused, but it still did the whole job. I was really surprised. So now we go on to stripping some wood, and there we can compare the two, the old with the new. This is a rustic coffee table. Quite a bit of the grain is up. Absolutely no problem. Takes off all that varnish and smooths and sands the surface. Not quite enough to refinish, but minimal sanding after. Very pleased. You can see this table's got notched edges. It handled that no problem. Just being very gentle, hold it lightly. Try not to press too hard. There we go. After doing all that, it's still perfectly usable. Plenty of wear left in that. So I'm enjoying myself by now. So I've got a bit of bonus footage for you. And here's the angle. Keep it nice and flat. This is my iron, which I've used on a few projects. Which just completely tas that off, no problems. I'm going to need to polish that with a bit of wire wool after, but yeah, handles that really well. This is a butcher's knife that I use for cutting wallpaper, of all things, but it's very useful. It just gets a bit dirty. Nice light touch, so don't want to be putting too much scratching, getting it too scratched, should I say. And just very gently taking all the dirt and grime off the handle. Gently does it. Super job. And this is a scaffold board. Still plenty of wear in that. So if you've enjoyed the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much.